Hey everyone, welcome back to the Convivial Home. So, most of you have probably downloaded your wallpapers from Google, and you also know that they have these very annoying watermarks. So, today I'll be telling you how to make your very own wallpapers. So, I'm not going to waste your time, let's get straight into it. So, I'm using Adobe Express. You can use any other editing software you like. Select the dimensions of an Instagram story, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. After that, you can choose a background according to your theme, and then you can add some filters to it to make it look more good, and then add some elements to make it a bit more lively, and you can also put filters on the elements. After that, if you want, you can add more elements and just like be free, add whatever you like, and yeah, that's it. If you want me to design your wallpaper, just comment down the theme below and I'll be sure to check it out.